To filter Best Places city comparison, start by visiting the Best Places website and selecting the City Comparison tool. This tool allows you to compare various cities based on factors such as cost of living, climate, education, and more. First, choose the cities you want to compare by typing their names into the search bar and selecting them. From the drop-down list you can compare up to 4 cities at a time. Next, select the categories you want to compare, such as overall cost of living, housing, transportation, and utilities. You can also compare cities based on demographic factors like population, median age, and median household income. Once you have selected your cities and categories, click on the Compare button to generate a comparison report. The report will provide a detailed breakdown of each city's statistics, allowing you to easily compare and contrast the different cities. To further refine your comparison, use the filtering options to narrow down the data. For example, you can filter by specific demographic factors, such as age or income level, to see how different cities stack up for different groups of people. Best practices for filtering Best Places city comparison include starting with broad categories and then narrowing down to more specific factors, using the filtering options to focus on the data that is most relevant to your needs, and considering multiple factors when making a comparison. By following these steps and using the filtering options effectively, you can use the Best Places city comparison tool to make informed decisions about which city is the best fit for you. The tool provides a wealth of data and allows you to customize your comparison to meet your specific needs, making it a valuable resource for anyone considering a move to a new city. Ultimately, the key to getting the most out of the Best Places city comparison tool is to be clear about what you are looking for and to use the filtering options to focus on the data that is most relevant to your needs. By doing so, you can make a more informed decision and find the city that best fits your lifestyle and preferences.